Hi guys, now I'm going to be showing you how to do lab station number 5. So for lab station number 5, you're going to need a graduated cylinder, salt, test tube and test tube rack, as well as a test tube stopper, which is the cap for the test tube. You're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon. You're going to need a funnel. And then in the instructions, it says you're going to use water from the sink, but we're going to be using water from this little water container. What you're going to do once you've made sure that you have all of your materials is you're going to start by measuring out 7 milliliters of water. So I'm going to take my water container and I'm going to carefully pour 7 milliliters of water into the graduated cylinder. Now this is a very tiny amount of water, which you'll see. Very tiny amount of water. 10 milliliter line is right there. It's a very tiny amount. Once I've measured my 10 milliliters of water, I'm going to take the stopper cap off of the test tube and I'm going to pour my water into my test tube very carefully because I don't want to spill. Then I'm going to take my 1/4 teaspoon and I'm going to measure out 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to place my funnel above my test tube. I'm going to pour my salt into the funnel into the test tube. Then I'm going to take my stopper cap and screw it on my test tube. Then carefully putting my finger on the top here, I'm going to shake it for about 20 seconds. Once I've done that, I'm going to observe my properties and what it looks like. Okay, so this is my salt and water mixed together test tube. Okay, and that's what you need to complete for Station 5.